Hey guys, how you doing guys? I hope you guys have a lovely time. Sorry guys, I didn't upload videos for past, I believe, like 7 8 days. And the reason it was because I was in Nha Trang and I thought, okay, I did a lot of video in Nha Trang. So now I'm in Hanoi, guys. This is my room. Let me quickly show you guys my room. This is a one bedroom apartment. So I have a nice bed and it's very nice and clean and it's very comfortable. So the decoration and everything is beautiful. There's a small balcony in that side. I have two balcony. I have a desk there. So it is really nice. It is a big closet here, guys. So this is my washroom. The washroom is really nice. The hot water is good. I have a conditioner. I have a soap, shampoo, and both of them smells good. So, and this hotel called Orange. So I rest Orange in Hanoi. So, guys, guess what I'm watching, guys. There is a four YouTubers. I believe two of them from British and two of them from United States went to Iran and walking around and having a lot of fun in Iran. So I'm just watching this video and seems to me these four guys, as I said, two British, two of them from United States, having a lot of fun in Iran. So I hope I can do the same thing. So this is my living room, guys. This is my living room. So I'm washing my clothes, guys, and I'm just hanging them to get dry. So I have a kitchen here. So right here, I have a microwave. I have everything here, guys. And the main thing is that it just makes me really happy. I have a washing machine here that I'm just washing my clothes. So this is an apartment, guys. So I'm gonna stay here for 4 days. I don't know if I'm going to extend it or not. Let's see. So I have a fridge here. So everything is just like a one bedroom apartment, guys. This is gigantic. So thank you for guys, thank you so much for your lovely messages. I really appreciate it. But unfortunately, as I said, like I was in Nha Trang and I thought to myself, okay, let me go somewhere new so I can upload few video for you guys. So I'm very excited that I'm now in Hanoi. Sorry, it didn't work that way. So now I'm heading out, guys. I'm gonna film as much as I could. Last night I was out too, but today is going to be a whole different video. And I cannot stop watching these four guys, man, having lovely time in Iran. So I really want to do that, guys. As a YouTuber, I really want to go back home and do these videos because it's just amazing that, you know, these guys is just like having a lot of fun. So anyways, guys, so this is my room. You see, guys, it's just lovely, beautiful. Maybe you guys gonna go ask me how much I paid here. Roughly $40 Canadian for 4 nights. So it just cost me $160 Canadian for 4 nights. But they have another rooms that facing the lake. When I'm going outside, I'll show you guys. Those ones are a little bit more expensive. So I don't know. Seems to me this room is booked when I'm moving out, when I'm checking out. So seems to me they have a lake view room. So a little bit more expensive, a little bit over my budget. But let's see how everything is going to work out. But it's very quiet area, guys. It is far from the action. It cost me like 20,000 a Vietnamese dong to go with the bike. Last night I went there and come back. It's just like $1 to go, $1 to come back. But it is very quiet, new, and I rather to stay here than somewhere that I cannot sleep at night. Anyways, guys, so I'm just getting ready. I'm just finishing my laundry here, and then I'm heading out. But this room is beautiful and I have everything and I'm really enjoying it, guys. So just next few minutes we're heading, guys. We're heading out and hopefully I can film as much as I could. Look at these guys. Like they're having so much fun. Like it's just mind-blowing. I'm so glad, man. I'm so glad that it's just like Now, slowly, Iran seems to me opening up the door to the YouTubers, because I saw a lot of YouTubers now going to Iran. And I hope I can do the same thing, because I have a lovely country, but unfortunately, it's just like a lot of misinformation out there. Anyways, guys. Let me finish my laundry and we're heading out. Hello, guys. I'm out, guys. So this is my hotel right there. This is the one. This is the building right there. This is the place that I'm staying, called I Rest Orange. It is lovely, guys. Lovely, clean, good. Everything is good. So anyways, guys, there is few really crazy dog here. Yesterday one of them was almost attacking me. So let me just pass by here, and then we're gonna figure it out. I'm going to film all day, guys, all day. So new place, new excitement. And thank you so much for all you guys that following up with me. I'm good, I'm well, everything is good, there is no problem, but I got to myself, let me go somewhere new, and so, to film something new, not it just, over and over in same place. Anyways, guys, I'm heading to few places, and hopefully I can film as much as I could. Look at this Jeep. There's a lot of dogs here, and some of them not friendly. Wow, look at this lovely Jeep. I really love this. US Army. Look at this, guys. US Army. This is unbelievable. Yeah, let's do it, guys. It is a lovely day, and I'm so excited. The only bad thing is about my hotel, or I would say apartment. Like, she knocked on my door, the cleaning lady, like 8:30 in the morning. Do you want me to clean your room? I thought to myself, okay, come on, like 8:30 in the morning? Anyways, that's the way it is. Good, bad, ugly, everywhere. But I'm 100% satisfied so far. And I'm just waiting to see if the price is gonna drop so I can rebook again. Because now they have few rooms that facing the lake, but those one is just more expensive, so I don't want to pay that much. But let's see. Yeah, facing this lake, guys. So on the other side, obviously. So when I was doing my research that I don't want to stay in the busy part of Hanoi, everybody says this location is safe, and I can see it. It's just residential. It is really safe place. Anyways, guys, just I'm gonna film today as much as I could. I have my power bank, so if I need it, I can charge again, and that's it, guys. Guys, yesterday when I was here, a lot of these girls coming and taking pictures here, and all dressed up and taking pictures here. So I don't know what is going on here, but it seems to me yesterday and today same thing. All these girls coming here and taking pictures. It is pastry, but seems to me for the they like it, I guess. Hello. Yeah, so that's the spot for all these hot chicks coming and taking pictures, guys. And Asia is just like Asian girls love pictures. Love pictures. That's the way it is, guys. Yeah, yesterday I went to, most touristic part of Hanoi, and it was crazy, guys. It was like really busy. So now I'm heading back. But this time I'm walking all the way there. It is like 3-4 kilometers, and for me, I'm sure you guys know that 3-4 kilometers is a piece of cake. Okay guys, now I'm next to the highway, so I just have to walk to the old quarter. So that's a just main part of touristic part. And last night I was there, guys, and I don't know, I probably I'm gonna have just a video for last night. It was a disappointment, man. Guys, when you come in here, when you matching with the girls online, make sure have a face-to-face conversation on WhatsApp or whatever, because 99% of the photos are Photoshop. And the other thing is, you need to be careful with the scam, because most of them working for massage places and stuff like that. So you need to be very careful. So yeah, I went there and she was like completely different than what was on the picture. And I didn't do the phone call. I mean, I didn't do the face call, whatever they call it. So, but yeah, I went there and I was a little bit tired, but I had a few beers and boom, I left. You know, I didn't spend more than like 5-10 minutes with her, because I told her, I said, like, your picture and you is just a little bit different, because I knew she's scamming me. So anyways, guys, I figured out that's some sort of a scam, so that's why I didn't spend too much time. Okay guys, I just almost arrived to Old Quarter, which is, this is the most, you know, famous touristic part. Obviously it's extremely crowded, very busy. It is not for my liking, even to come and sit here and enjoy like your dinner or beer or whatever, because extremely busy. Last night I was here and it's just like, it is not for me. But anyways, I'm here to film for you guys. But one thing that you should know about Hanoi, if you've never been here, Hanoi is very busy, extremely crowded, and number two, it is not clean. Like even Saigon to me is just more clean than here. Here everywhere is a garbage, guys. It's just everywhere. I don't know why. Because I was trying to learn about North Vietnam, and everybody says here economy is better, but I don't know if his economy is better, why everywhere is so messy. But it's okay. Extremely busy location. You see guys, everywhere is a bike. Like, and they won't stop. One thing that you gotta be really careful if you come in here, they won't stop for absolutely nothing, especially here. Last time when I came to Hanoi, the reason that I didn't stay and I didn't like it, because of this. Because it's just out of control. One thing that is completely disappointment, guys, here, like, look at it. This is a sidewalk that, you know, for people to walk. But unfortunately here, motorcycle has more right than humans, because you see that all these bikes parking on both sides, so you cannot walk. There is a sidewalk, but sidewalk is just occupied by motorcycle. Annoying, guys, annoying. If you're going for a walk, it is not safe. So you gotta be very careful. Now especially I have my camera in my hand, so I need to be careful, because they can grab it, guys. I heard from a lot of people. I'm trying to walk on the sidewalk, but it just doesn't exist. Look at it. It just doesn't exist. All these bikes parking in the sidewalk. Hey, no, thanks. And another thing is that it's just annoying. Last night, every single individual with the Grab stopping next to me. Do you want a boom boom? Do you want a massage? They have a picture in their phone. It was like really annoying things. But what are you gonna do? That's part of here. You see, everywhere is just extremely crowded. Guys, I believe this is another kind of touristic place. I see a lot of people walking there, so I'm gonna go walk through here too. After that, we're going to Kiem Lake. I really like that area. It's just more quiet. What is this? This is like some sort of bus station. Yeah, this is a bus station, guys. You see that? There's a cafe and there's a train station or whatever. Yeah, it is a train station. So never mind, guys. I'm not interested to take some train or whatever, but this is a train station. Oh guys, you have no idea. Everywhere is a bike. It's just like, I believe this city has more bike than anywhere else. Look guys, it's just like everywhere. You cannot really walk in the sidewalk because people are parking their bike. Guys, I saw this before, but I want to show you guys again. Look at the way that these guys packing these fruits. It's just unbelievable. Guys, this is a fresh fruits. You know, you can buy it. It's just unbelievable. Look. Like everything, you can find everything there. Hello, everything is so beautiful. Look at it, guys. I guess people buying all these fruits for a gift or something. But it's just lovely, man. I just love it. Seriously, I don't need this much fruit, but if I want to buy a gift for somebody, definitely I buy one of this. It's just lovely, man. I saw this in Thailand too. So Thailand and here. Look at it, guys, again. Look how beautiful design and packed, and it's just all fruits. You won't see that anywhere else, guys, except I believe in Vietnam and Thailand, because I haven't seen it anywhere else. Oh gosh, like these people, they won't wait, man. I need to be really careful.